And there is chaos in the supermarkets as baking fever sweeps the nation.
Hi guys, it's Monday the 6th of April. Myself and Mr. Smith are in school today and we are splitting the children into teams. We're going to be taking part in the Great St John's Bake Off. Join us later for the results.
Now, I know you've been practicing probably for months. The breads, the cakes, the biscuits, that's all over. All you have to do now is impress our lovely judges.
So, for the very first time, you've got 2 hours to complete this. On your marks,
Get set, bake!
And now it's time for the washing up, which is a novel experience for Mr. Smith, but I will film him doing that in a moment.
It's very important to wash up.
Don't forget those bowls, Mr. Smith.
The bowls, oh, the ones that Miss Shepherd left. Oh yeah, I'll wash those up as well, no problems.
There we go, the all-important bowls.
I remember doing this when we did the pizza project in Year 6.
Do you?
These are the winners, I reckon.
We are the winner team.
I'm now quite confident that we might win with the cakes. Looks very good, Mrs. Brothers, well done.